Hello students, welcome back to today's one more video lecture here that is based on the methods of preparation of alcohols. This is the fifth method. Now before this already you have studied the first four methods. The first one is by alkaline hydrolysis of alkyl halide, that is Rx plus KOH or NaOH or AgOH, that gives alcohol. That was the first one. Then after that I have taken then two different methods. But the starting material, that is alkene. First, second one is by hydration of alkenes, means we have to do the reaction of alkenes with cold concentrated H2SO4, that gives alkene hydrogen sulfate on heating with water molecule gives alcohol. Then second one is again alkenes. Alkenes on reaction with diborane gives trialkylborane, and that on reaction with hydrogen peroxide gives alcohols. Then after that, third method, that is important. By doing the reactions of carbonyl compounds, means aldehydes and ketones with Grignard's reagent, that is formaldehyde on reaction with Grignard reagent gives primary alcohol, acetaldehyde on reaction with Grignard reagent gives secondary alcohol, and acetone on reaction with Grignard reagent, that is methyl magnesium iodide or any Grignard reagent, that gives tertiary alcohol. That much part already we have discussed in the previous lecture. Now today we will see the another method of preparation, that is the fifth method of preparation by reduction of carbonyl compounds. Again aldehydes and ketones are there. We have to do the reduction of aldehydes and ketones. Reduction means hydrogenation, means addition of H2. Sometimes we have to add the nascent hydrogen also. Here now we will see here the first of all reduction, that is hydrogenation of aldehydes and ketones. We can convert aldehydes and ketones into alcohols by using different reducing agents. The first method is by using the reducing agents like nickel, ranitidine, platinum. Instead of this platinum we can use palladium also. It is known as catalytic hydrogenation. It is hydrogenation reaction. Whenever hydrogenation is there, we have to take here hydrogen in the form of molecular form, that is H2. Here now see this one. I will do the general reaction first of all. Aldehyde, general form of aldehyde is RCH double bond O plus H2 in the presence of nickel. Heat, it gives H bond H2, means here is the bond between these two hydrogen atoms breaks. Also at the same time the bond between this carbon and oxygen also breaks. One of the hydrogen goes to this carbon atom and another hydrogen goes to this oxygen, and it gives RCH2OH. RCH2OH, it is primary alcohol. In this way we can convert. I have taken here, this is a general reaction. If you can take here, I have given the another examples are like this. Here acetaldehyde plus H2 in the presence of nickel gives ethyl alcohol. See this one, CH3. If instead of this alkyl group I have taken here CH3, that is CH3CHO, it is acetaldehyde or it is known as ethanol. I have given here the name ethanol plus H2. Again here the bond, one of the bond between this carbon and oxygen breaks. Here hydrogen goes to this oxygen and another goes to this, another hydrogen goes to this carbon atom, and we will get here the product like this CH3CH2OH. It is ethanol. In this way we can convert aldehydes into alcohols. Similarly we can convert ketones into alcohols also. Now general form of ketones is here like this RCr double bond O. Here in aldehydes, instead of this R there is hydrogen atom, CH double bond O is there. That is the functional group of that is formyl functional group is present in the aldehydes. But in ketones there is a oxo group or keto group is present. It means that there is not much more difference in the aldehydes and ketones. We have to replace that hydrogen atom with this alkyl group R plus H2. Again here in the presence of nickel, heat is necessary. It gives here one of the bond between this carbon and oxygen breaks. Here one of the hydrogen goes to the oxygen and another goes to this carbon atom, and we will get here RCr, OH and H. It means that when ketone is taken, then secondary alcohol is obtained. Here now we can take here, suppose these two alkyl groups RR. If we have taken here CH3, then it is ketone, it is acetone. plus H2, it gives in the presence of nickel CH3, CH3, HOH. It is propan-2-ol or it is isopropyl alcohol or propan-2-ol. Here I have taken the example here. CH3 CH double bond O plus CH2 in the presence of nickel CH3 CH3 CHOH. In this way, it is the first method by using we can convert aldehydes and ketones into alcohols by using Raney-nickel. It is a catalytic hydrogenation. Now substrate is same, aldehydes and ketones, but different reducing agent is used, and by using different reducing agent we can convert another reducing agent by using like LiLH4. We can convert aldehydes and ketones into alcohols also. See this one here now. Second method is that by using lithium aluminum hydride. Second method is that by using LiAlH4. It is to be followed by the acid hydrolysis means H3O plus. Here by using पहिल्या ह्याच्यामध्ये काय केलं होतं आपण निकेल यूज केलं होतं प्लॅटिनम पॅलेडियम आणि H2 घेतला होता. इथं काय करायचं आपल्याला LiLH4 हा रिड्युसिंग एजंट यूज करायचा आहे. LiLH4 मध्ये ऑलरेडी याच्यातला हायड्रोजन याच्यामध्ये ॲड होतो, आपल्याला वेगळा हायड्रोजन घेण्याची गरज नाही. म्हणून इथं मी डायरेक्ट रिॲक्शन लिहितो आता. वेन acetaldehyde CH3 CH double bond O is reduced by using LiAlH4 and followed by the acid hydrolysis. पहिल्यांदा LiLH4 ॲडिशन ह्याच्यातला हायड्रोजन याच्यामध्ये ॲड होतो आणि त्याचं हायड्रोलायसिस केलं की पुन्हा त्याचं अल्कोहोलमध्ये कन्वर्जन होतं. तुम्हाला त्या एवढ्या डिटेलमध्ये रिॲक्शन लिहिण्याची गरज नाही, आपल्याला आता मेकॅनिझम लिहिण्याची गरज नाही, डायरेक्ट आपण लिहू शकतो. इथं प्रॉडक्ट यात त्या हायड्रोजन इथं ॲड होतील, एक ऑक्सिजनला अटॅच होईल आणि एक कार्बनला अटॅच होईल अँड विल गेट द कंपाऊंड लाईक दिस. आउट ऑफ दिस टू बॉन्ड्स वन ऑफ द बॉन्ड ब्रेक्स हिअर. इथला एक बॉन्ड ब्रेक झाला की मग या LiLH4 मधले हायड्रोजन एक Hला अटॅच होईल आणि एक इथं अटॅच होईल अँड इट यूज acetaldehyde use it is ethanol and it is ethanol. How will you convert ethanol into ethanol? Such type of the question that may be asked in the board's examination. Ethanol or acetaldehyde into ethyl alcohol. Similarly, if acetone is taken, see this one now, it gives secondary alcohol CH3. आल्डिहाइडमध्ये आणि ॲसिटोनमध्ये फरक काय, इथं ह्याच्याऐवजी इथं CH3 येतो. ॲसिटोन अगेन हिअर देर इज नो नीड टू राईट 2H or H2 हिअर बिकॉज दिस हायड्रोजन ॲटम्स विच आर प्रेझेंट इन LiLH4 मॉलिक्यूल दॅट इज टू बी ॲडेड इन टू दिस मॉलिक्यूल. ह्याच्यामधल्या मॉलिक्युल्समधले हायड्रोजन ॲड होतील, लिहिण्याची गरज नाही वेगळी ती 2H किंवा H2 असं. इट गिव्ज अँड दॅट इज टू बी फॉलोड बाय द ॲसिड हायड्रोलायसिस मीन्स H3O. It gives again here the bond between this carbon and oxygen breaks here and we will get the structure like this CH3 CH3 COH and another hydrogen goes to this carbon atom and the name of this compound is isopropyl alcohol. मी तुम्हाला इकडे रिॲक्शन करून दाखवतोय पण इकडे नोट्समध्ये सेम रिॲक्शन दिलेली इथं. CH3 CH3 double bond O LiLH4 H3O plus gives CH3 CH3OH. Difference is that in the first catalytic hydrogenation I have taken here H2 and Raney-nickel. पण इथं मात्र तुम्हाला H2 किंवा 2H लिहिण्याची गरज नाही. LiLH4 घेत असेल तर डायरेक्ट LiH4 लिहायचं, H3O घ्यायचं आहे आणि या पद्धतीनं रिॲक्शन कंप्लीट करायची आहे. हिअर नाव आफ्टर दॅट विल गो टू द अनादर मेथड दॅट इज अनादर देट सेम इज देअर रिडक्शन इज देअर अनादर बाय युझिंग हिअर by reduction of by using that same reducing agent LiLH4, but I have taken here instead of the aldehydes and ketones carboxylic acids are taken here by reduction of carboxylic acid. See this one, by reduction of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids are represented by general formula RC double bond OH. Again we have to do the reduction by using LiAlH4 and that is to be followed by the acid hydrolysis means H3O plus. It gives now, see here, OH group is already there. Here 2 hydrogen atoms from this LiLH4 that is to be added to this, the bond between this carbon and a double bond is there. Out of these 2 bonds one of the bond breaks here one of the hydrogen goes to this oxygen and another hydrogen goes to this carbon atom, and we will get this product like this, RCH2OH. It is primary alcohol. In this way we can convert acids also. It is carboxylic acid. It is a general acid. RCOH, it is a general formula of acid. It is known as carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid reacts with on reduction by using LiLH4 and followed by the acid hydrolysis gives primary alcohol. Here I have taken general reaction. We can take here, instead of this R, if we have taken here CH3 group, then we will get the structure like this. It is acetic acid, or it is also known as ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid, again this acid CH3 C double bond OH on reduction by using LiLH4 and H3O plus gives, here double bond O is there. Out of these two bonds, one of the bond breaks here. One of the hydrogen goes to the oxygen and another goes to this carbon atom, and we will get the structure like this. CH3, sorry, both hydrogen atoms, this oxygen atom is given out, this oxygen atom is given out from here, that combines with hydrogen and the formation of H2 molecule takes place, and here CH3 CH2H, two hydrogen atoms to added to this carbon atom CH2. C double bond O group is converted into CH2. Here C double bond O group is converted into both bonds. Here is double bond between carbon and that both bonds that breaks, and addition of two hydrogen atoms takes place here to this carbon atom, and we will get here RCH2OH. C double bond O group, that is important. C double bond O group is converted into CH2 group. Here is again C double bond O group is converted into CH2. Acetic acid, that is ethanoic acid, is converted into ethanol or ethyl alcohol. But drawback of this reaction is that LiLH4, that reagent, it is LiLH4, that is slightly expensive reagent. थोड़ा सा महंगा है. LiLH4, it is a expensive reagent. Therefore, acids are first converted into esters, and which on catalytic hydrogenation gives primary alcohols. मग याला एक पर्याय शोधला आपण. डायरेक्ट LiLH4 न यूज करता RC डबल बॉन्ड OH कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिडची रिॲक्शन अल्कोहोल सोबत करायची ROH, आणि इन द फर्स्ट स्टेप दॅट कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू OH, आणि हा OH2 कंबाईन होईल आणि या Hची जागा हा R घेईल. इट मीन्स दॅट RC डबल बॉन्ड IgT जिथं राहिला, हा O Hच्या ऐवजी त्याचा R आला, आणि हा H आणि हा OH कंबाईन झाला आणि H2 तयार झाला. इट इज नोन ॲज एस्टर. म्हणजे ही रिॲक्शन इट इज टू बी कॅरीड इन द प्रेझेन्स ऑफ कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड H2SO4 or in the presence of any acid. We can write here H plus, and that acid is easily available. Therefore, carboxylic acids and alcohols reacts, carboxylic acid reacts with alcohols in the presence of acid to give ester, and now this ester on hydrolysis, on catalytic hydrogenation in the presence of nickel, मग इथं H2 ॲड होईल, हा बॉन्ड ब्रेक होईल. इट गिव्स, सी दिस वर नाव, हा बॉन्ड ब्रेक होईल, एक H याच्यामध्ये ॲड झाला ROH, आणि दुसरे जे हायड्रोजन आहेत हा बॉन्ड ब्रेक होईल, एक H इथं ॲड होईल आणि याला एक H ॲड होईल. म्हणजेच हा पहिला मॉलिक्यूल काय करेल, इट गिव्स RCH2OH. याला 1 2 3 हायड्रोजन ॲड होतील, एक ऑक्सिजनला आणि इथं 2 RCH2OH, आणि दुसरा हायड्रोजनचा एक हायड्रोजन ॲटम ॲड होईल इथं OHला, आणि ऑक्सिजनला अटॅच होईल आणि ROH तयार होईल. इट गिव्स primary alcohol. It is also 1 degree alcohol. It gives the two different molecules of primary alcohol. This is the alternative method to convert carboxylic acids into alcohols. That first method which is we have studied, that is to be taken, that is reduction by using LiLH4, that is slightly expensive, therefore that is not commonly used. But remember this one, advantage of LiH4. पण LiLH4 यूज करण्यातला एक ॲडव्हान्टेज आहे महत्त्वाचा H2 आणि हे NI यूज करण्याच्या ऐवजी, इज दॅट इट डज नॉट रिड्यूस ऑलिफेनिक बॉन्ड. ऑलिफेनिक बॉन्ड म्हणजे अशा पद्धतीचा जर एस्टर अल्कोहोल असेल, सपोज लाईक दिस CH3 CH डबल बॉन्ड CH C डबल बॉन्ड OH, अशा पद्धतीचं जर ॲसिड असेल, म्हणजे डबल बॉन्ड असणार कार्बनमध्ये, तर निकेल जर घेतला आपण तर हा डायरेक्ट दोन्ही बॉन्ड रिड्यूस करतो, पण LiLH4चं मात्र एक पिक्युलियर कॅरेक्टर आहे, इट रिड्युसेस ओनली COOH बॉन्ड. अशा जर ॲसिडचं अनसॅच्युरेटेड ॲसिडचं जर अल्कोहोलमध्ये कन्व्हर्जन करायचं असेल, then we have to use only LiAlH4. It does not reduce olefinic bond, means double bond. Hence it is used to reduce unsaturated aldehydes and ketones to unsaturated alcohols. Unsaturated alcohols unsaturated कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड पासून जर तयार करायचे असतील तर LiLH4च यूज केलं जातं. this remember this one. Solve the problem 11.2 पेज ऑन पेज नंबर 239 पेज ओपन करा पुस्तकाचं, त्यावरती एक प्रॉब्लेम दिलेला आहे. दॅट इज व्हेरी इझी. त्या याच्यावरून तुम्ही हा तो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करू शकता. नाव विथ दिस वी हॅव कम्प्लिटेड दिस फिफ्थ अँड द लास्ट मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन बाय रिडक्शन ऑफ aldehydes and ketones. With this also we have completed the methods of preparation of alcohols. Okay, today we stop here. Thank you.